this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a keyboard to a speaker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are multiple cables or methods that you can use to connect the keyboard and an external speaker together. In this video, I'm going to cover the most common ones and how to identify them. First, check the output ports on the back of your keyboard and the input ports on your speakers. Usually, the common keyboard outputs are going to include left or mono and right, aka line out. So this is going to be best for connecting to professional speakers or mixers. You should use L or mono for a single speaker, and you should use both L and R for stereo. You can also find phones/headphones ports. So if you see a port labeled as phones or headphones, that could also work. This can be used as a last resort, but it may be too loud or noisy, so I wouldn't recommend it. The best way is going to be using the L/mono and R line out. So grab the appropriate cable. This plug type is going to be a 1/4 inch TS or TRS cable. So look for any of these terms and you will be able to find the appropriate cable, either TRS, TS, or 1/4 inch. Then you plug it into the appropriate ports. To actually get it to work, the goal is to match the output on your keyboard to the input on your speakers. So use the keyboard's dedicated 1/4 inch line out ports, and you will use 2 cables if you want L and right, and then you connect L to speaker 1 and R to speaker 2. Once you have the connection set up, all of the audio being output by the keyboard will go over to the speakers. There are other cables and methods that you can use, but this is going to be by far the most reliable one. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.